Hey EV fans, Warren here. Right now we're going through some very cold, chilly days. We're talking about lows that are actually like 9 degrees, but feel like they're 10, 15 below zero. And with that, a lot of times that's when you find out your heating system isn't working exactly how it should. Now I'm here at the Choo Choo Inn. This is my Airbnb, and the problem I'm having is this thermostat doesn't seem to be telling the actual temperature of a room, and on top of that, it just seems to be running non-stop. The thermostat says it's 59. In reality, it's 69. So it's always 10 degrees hotter than you think it is, which makes it kind of uncomfortable in the opposite direction of cold. And this is why. This is an exterior wall. And there is, if you put your hand up on this, through that little hole right there, there's enough cold air blowing through there that throws the thermostat off by 10 degrees. So you think you're running a temperature of a nice, comfortable level of 70, and you're actually doing 80. Now, what was comfortable seems hot and balmy. Now, there are two ways that we can fix this. The first way is to take some spray foam and fill up the hole. The second way is to do a remote thermostat. The problem we're having with this, the main reason is this should never go on an exterior wall, which it is. See? Door, window, wall to the outside, which can pick up a little bit more chill or cold. Where it should be going is centrally located as much as possible in your house. So if we do the second method of fixing this problem by using a remote thermostat, we would most likely put it right here because this is dead center of the house. Looking at this thermostat off of the wall there where the air was blowing through, you can see that the temperature now has risen to 67 degrees. But I'm pretty sure this will resolve the issue. Fast forward as I sit here relaxing, kicking back in a nice, comfortable sofa chair in the Choo Choo Inn, and thinking how that worked, filling in the gap, the hole that was allowing the air through. I would like to think that it was all my idea, but I actually can't take credit for this because my buddy Eric from Discount Heating and Cooling came in here and schooled me on thermostats. So remember, never put a thermostat to an exterior wall, and it should be located on a wall closest to the interior or the center of your whole house. Well, if this was some information that helped you along and gave you some good information, especially during these cold months, please like, follow, and share. Until next time, DIY or you die.